shoved the whole thing in your mouth. You so did. Yummy. So I'm all dressed and ready for my girls' day out. So I'm just wearing this cheap Kmart necklace. I'm actually really not sure of it now. It sounds a bit weird, but I bought it ages ago and yeah, I don't know. Anyway, that's what I'm wearing. And I've also got my black bodysuit, a Kmart belt, and then my leather look pants. If you're wondering where I'm going to, it was my birthday yesterday, so I've organised a girls' day out. So I'm going to a place called Collagen Co. So they sell like painted pots and dried flower arrangements, but they also do workshops. So
you always find me here when the world thinks that I've disappeared. You know just where to look. You know just where to look. And you have a heart of gold. And I look forward to growing old, 'cause I'll be old with you. Oh, I'll be old with you.
So this is how it's come out. Look, honestly, I can't say I love it, but Talia wanted me to do a unicorn. I think it goes really well with the pot they already had, so that's why I sort of picked those colors. And this is what Talia got me for my birthday, and I'll tell you a story. It's absolutely hilarious. So Talia has been super excited about my birthday all week, to the point where she's told the school teacher, the swimming instructor, all of her friends. So she spent probably like, I don't know, an hour or so in the craft room making all these paintings and pictures. And then she made her own envelope, and that is what that picture was in the picture frame. So I thought I'd frame it. But the funny story is, I was like shaking it. I'm like, is there money in here? And she's like, yeah, you gotta love it, Mum. It's so good. Oh, you gotta love it. She was like so super excited. I opened it up and she goes, oh my God, Mum, look, it's $20. And it was 2 10-cent pieces. And I just laughed my head off. I was like, do I frame those 2 10-cent pieces? It's a bit weird to do that. But yeah, instead of framing the pictures that she gave me, I framed the picture off the envelope. So I'll always remember that little experience, and I just think it's absolutely adorable.
I met you in the morning, summertime. The skies were warm and golden, mid-July. I dove into the blue in your eyes. I'm holding on to you, yeah. All of the nights in my room were lonely, and all that I wanted was you to hold me. I lay here and talk to the moon. She told me I should never let you go. Close your eyes, stay the night. I keep falling by your side. Watch the tides hold me down.
Okay, so before I get stuck into the pot painting experience, I thought I would share with you my skincare routine, because I do get asked about it a lot, and I'm 38. So I feel like it's time, okay? It's time we talk wrinkles. So basically my routine, you would have seen in the morning that I did, is I always put a face moisturizer on, and then I will put on my foundation. My foundation has a 30+ sunscreen in it. So if I don't wear foundation, I will always wear some kind of sunscreen, because I do work outside a lot. And then I also take a collagen supplement. So the one that I do take is the Australian Marine Collagen from the Collagen Co. This is like a beauty collagen, because you need to treat your skin from within, especially when you're older, because the collagen in your body does deplete. And this one is a really high quality hydrolyzed collagen. So this one absorbs rapidly into the body. So this is what it looks like. It contains 10 grams of hydrolyzed collagen. And the reason why I love it too is because I can easily take this and pop this into my bag. So if I have to take Talia to school by 7 o'clock, believe it or not, on a Wednesday morning, because I start work at 7:30. So often I don't remember to, you know, do little things like this. So if I have this, pop this in my handbag the night before, I can easily add this to a coffee or to food at work when I'm at work. This product helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and it does help your complexion look and feel a lot more glowy as well. So if that's what you want, then yeah, definitely give this a go. And as a bit of an added bonus, it does help strengthen and thicken your hair. Not that you can tell with mine because I haven't cut it in like forever and a day. And it also helps with your nails. So if you're trying to grow your nails, definitely give this a shot as well, because it helps strengthen and grow your nails. This is gluten-free, sustainably sourced, and it is Australian made, keeping jobs in Australia, which is amazing. So as you guys know, I have been trying to get into, you know, my health and fitness again, especially after the pandemic, and you know, been going to the gym and looking after myself. And I really do believe the key to confidence is feeling comfortable and confident in yourself and in your own body and in your own skin. And that is why I take the Beauty Marine Collagen from the Collagen Co, so that I feel great about my skin every day. So if you are interested in purchasing the product, then use my code StephR for free shipping. Okay, so to say the least, I've had a crappy emotional day. We both have, and Tales, you can tell them why, because you've been waiting to tell them why.
Our cat died.
Our Moo died.
Yesterday night.
Yeah. So anyway, yes, so our cat died, and it's been a very emotional day, having to break it to her and dealing with it because it was not a pretty scene. Anyway, we're going to go and paint some pots now, because Talia wanted to paint some pots of her own after I did the pot painting class. So we're going to do that, chill, and watch the rest of this movie. Let's see if I've ruined it or not, because sometimes, knowing my luck, things bleed, and I reckon the paint will shit. Because I've always got really bad luck like that.
When the world thinks that I've disappeared.
This is mine.
They look cool,
I
don't they?
See, this one's mine that the person's pointing.
You have a heart of gold, and I look forward to growing old, 'cause I'll be old with you.
That's really, really
Now I'm
cool.
going to do the bottom a different colour.
Wow, way, that looks so cool. Ready? Hang on. Can I show everyone? Whoa, you are so clever.
And I'll await the time when I look you in the
Mummy's
eyes
still,
and say,
she doesn't even know what she's doing with this.
oh, I'll say I do. I do. I do. I do.
I think they're both specially married.
But do you like mine still?
I love
Better than
yours.
yours though?
I kind of do, yeah. It's really pretty. Yeah.
Just because I can. Just because.
Don't push it too much, because remember it's got to live too. And now just get the soil and just put the soil around a little bit. Do you want to get a tiny little scoop? Another scoop? And then just put a little bit around the edges of it. Yeah, and then around here.
Look you in the eyes and say, oh, I'll say.
Love it. It's very cute, isn't it?
I do.
Just be careful. Use your fingers.
I do. Or through the calm and the wind, through thick and think